Assalamu-alaikum friends, I'm Muhammad Ajmer Kamar and today I'm going to tell you best video editing software for 2GB RAM PC, AMD PHENOMINON Processor and no graphic card. So please be sure to subscribe, like and share this video who has a low spec PC and is looking for a professional software. So let's get to the video. So the first one in the list is FILMORA. But everyone knows that the trial version have the watermark, but don't worry, go to my channel. There is a complete video or method on how to install FILMORA crack version which is activated. Links are in the description down below, so go check it out. Okay, the second one in the list is Adobe Premiere Pro. Everyone know this, but Adobe has launched video editing softwares and photo editing softwares without watermark. So worth to try. Links are in the description. And the third one is iMovie, but it is only made for Mac OS and Apple devices, but very useful for beginners. Its links are also in the description, so go check it out. So friends, the fourth one is VSDC video editor, free movie editor software. It has thousands of features, wide range of filters, overlays, transactions, effects, and many more. Fifth is LITE, the free video editing software available for Windows, Linux, Mac OS X, and the user interface is very simple for beginners. And if you are not at video editing, if you are not good at video editing, my recommendation for you is OPENSHOT. Simple user interface, open source video editor which offers basic and important tools like trimming and slicing and audio mixing. So worth to try. Links are in the description down below. And the next software I'm going to tell you is only made for Windows user, and this is called Windows Movie Maker. You can make or edit videos for Windows Movie Maker, and it is built in on Windows. So if you are a Windows user, then go check it out. So the last one in our list is Apple's Final Cut Pro X. Is a high capable and highly respected tool for pro video editor developed by Apple. Interface is similar to iMovie. But my recommendation, if you are a pro user or pro video editor, then FILMORA is the best option for you, or iMovie and Final Cut Pro. And if you are beginner or beginning at video editing and you have just started it for YouTube channel or anything, then OPENSHOT is the best software for you. So hope you like the video. If you like the video, please like, share and subscribe to my YouTube channel. If you want to follow me on Instagram, links are given in the description down below. And if you want to follow me on Facebook, links are given in the description down below. Allah Hafiz.